Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change and customize the widgets on your Garmin Forerunner 45 or 45S. So widgets are the little screens that show you data when you go up or down from the watch face, such as the heart rate monitor or even notification widgets, different things like that. Now on the watch you have a lot of options to change these. You can reorder them, you can remove them, you can add them, and then some of the widgets even have options of their own. So the first thing we need to do to get into the options to where we can change the widgets is open up the menu by holding down the up button. Once we're in there, scroll down using the down button until you see widgets and select that using the start or stop button. So as you can see in here, these are the current widgets that we have active. All the ones that are shown in this list right here. Now if we go to the bottom where it says Add Widget, we can select that, and then these are the available widgets that we currently have that are not active and not visible on the watch. So once we find a widget we want to add, I'm going to add the step widget. All we need to do is select it, and then it will add it to the widgets we currently have active. Now say I wanted to change the order of these widgets. All we need to do is select into one of the widgets in the widget list, and then go to reorder. So there you can move it around, you can change where it is. Once you have reordered it to wherever you desire, you select the start or stop button, and then it will be saved there. Now if you want to remove a widget, just find the one you want to remove, select it, and then go down to remove, and then it will be removed from your active widgets. Some of the widgets have menus of their own, such as the heart rate widget. If you go to this widget and then hold the up button, it'll open up the menu and you can see heart rate options. So this is where you can go in and turn on and off the heart rate monitor, different things like that. So if you go through in some of the widgets and you want to try to change something on it, simply hold the up button and there might be a menu there depending on which widget it is. So that was a quick tutorial showing you how to change and customize widgets on the Garmin Forerunner 45. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.